2016 Ford Mustang V6, 3.7 liter. We got factory converters there and there. Then it goes 2 1/4. We eliminated the resonators, both of them, which has a built-in X pipe in there. He wanted a true dual. He saw one of our videos. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes into 4-inch black angle cut tips there and there. Did a rear muffler delete on it, right there and right there. This is the 2 mufflers we cut off. I don't know where he put the resonator. Did he throw it on the dirt? Nope. I don't know. Anyways, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Okay, that's where you're gonna be stationed. Sound decibels? Go ahead. Bro, it's hitting 122. That's crazy. You ought to back it up. That's awesome.
What you got in there?
Huh?
What you got in there?
Straight pipe.
The straight pipe?
Oh, yeah.
That's the sound you want?
No,
Yeah.
no, it's too loud.
Like, that's a little rough.
Yeah, it's a little rough because my neighborhood now we're going.
It's so loud, man. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Mustang V6 true dual straight pipe. Came out nice. Boom, 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 boom. We appreciate his service. He just came back from Japan, serving our country. God bless our troops. That's awesome.